In this video, I'll walk you through several steps to address the crashing issue in Dragon's Dogma 2 on your PC, PS5, or Xbox. Let's dive in. First, ensure your system is up to date by installing the latest software updates for your PC, PS5, or Xbox. These updates often contain bug fixes that can resolve crashing problems. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version from the manufacturer's website, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, Sony, Microsoft, or others. Outdated graphics drivers can sometimes cause crashes. For PC users, you can verify the game files on Steam to check for any corrupt files and replace them. Simply right-click on Dragon's Dogma 2 in your Steam library, go to Properties Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Close any unnecessary background applications before launching the game, as they may interfere with its performance. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Dragon's Dogma 2. If it doesn't, the game may crash due to hardware limitations. If you're playing on a PS5 or Xbox, consider reinstalling the game, as a clean reinstall can often fix crashing issues. Additionally, if you're using mods on PC, try disabling them to see if they're causing the crashes. Check for overheating issues on your console or PC, as overheating can also lead to crashes. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating problems. If you've tried all these steps and the game is still crashing, search online for specific solutions related to your crash error message. You can also reach out to Capcom, the game's developer, for further support. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the crashing issue in Dragon's Dogma 2 on your platform.